Welcome to Homework Lib.
Beta gamma unsaturated carbonyl compound, alpha, beta, gamma, arranges to a more stable conjugated alpha beta unsaturated compound, alpha beta, in the presence of either acid or base. Propose a mechanism for both. First, for the base catalyzed reaction. Base removes a proton from the alpha position and forms enolate, and then enolate gets protonated to this carbon with a shift of a double bond. For the acid catalyzed mechanism, this carbon gets protonated and generates a charge on this carbon, which is here. And then deprotonation of the alpha proton gives you the product.